Hello everyone, hope you all are well and stay safe. I am Vaishnav Kassar from CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law. I am giving a short speech on nepotism. Nepotism can be defined as the act of using power or influence to get unfair advantage for member one's family. Why does nepotism exist? Even today, we live in a time where everybody strives to protest against hierarchical inheritance, but cease to protest against such as open exertion of dominance. We know that the Bollywood industry, Indian political party, has seen most of nepotism in his history. Despite ours being democratic country, right from Motilal Nehru to Rajiv Gandhi, there are various factors that contest towards such political nepotism, especially in the country like India. The first being its citizen. It is mainly because of the nation bound up by the Varna system, which state that only the son priest become. I would like to conclude that we all hope that the major changes taking place in the country, this is also become an issue that is strongly raised by all. If this political nepotism going on, corruption in the country would rise once again, like it has in the past decade. Everyone has the right to stand a fair chance in all professional fields, and any possible hurdle in the way of achieving their rights should be removed. It will only when the hurdles are removed that we get talented and smart politicians who take the country to new heights. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Asta Tripathi pursuing Law Integrate from Banastri Vidyapeeth. Nepotism, a very highly debated topic nowadays. What is nepotism? It is an act of using one's power or influence to get unfair advantage for a member of one's family. We live in a time where everyone strives to protest against such hierarchical inheritance. But I wonder, after so much of protest, why does it even exist today? Because in fighting against nepotism, we forget about an open exertion of dominance. Many people on the broader aspect think that a person knows who's in house of a particular field because of seeing it from very early age is more likely and more deserving for that particular field than the rest. But it is not so. Everyone stands a fair chance in all professional fields, irrespective of the profession his ancestors have followed. Our constitution has given us the right to equality, and no one can take it away from us against our will. Nepotistic privilege is a social shame. It is taking India back. Any possible hurdle in the path of progress of India and its citizens should be removed efficiently. We can hope that nepotism should emerge largely as an issue and lead to major changes, which can take our country to new heights. Thank you very much.
मेरा नाम विदक डागुर है और इस सत्र में मैं कक्षा 10 का छात्र हूँ। मैं नेपोटिज्म के बारे में अपनी कुछ बातें रखना चाहता हूँ। नेपोटिज्म ये सोशल मीडिया पर अब कुछ ज़्यादा ही ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है। ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि राजा महाराजाओं के टाइम से चलती आ रही है। होता था कि कई वंशों में राजा अपने बेटे को ही राजा बना देते थे। अब खराब नेपोटिज्म बहुत जगह पे सही भी है, बहुत जगह पे गलत भी है। जैसे कि होते हैं बिजनेसमैन, तो बिजनेसमैन अपने बेटे को, जो बेटा होता है वो बचपन से ही उस बिजनेस को देखता रहा हो और उसे उस बिजनेस को दे दिया जाए, तो उसमें कोई गलत नहीं है। गलत जब होता कि कोई टैलेंटेड व्यक्ति उस वर्क को करने के लिए आगे आए और उसको पीछे करके उस अपने बेटे को आगे लगा दिया जाए, तो जब वो गलत होता है। ऐसे उसमें ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्रियों में हो रहा है। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में क्या हो रहा है कि अमिताभ बच्चन जी थे, उनके लड़के अभिषेक बच्चन जी थे, उन्हें बना दिया गया। गलत जब होता कि कोई और आ जाता तो उन्हें पीछे कर दिया जाता, टैलेंटेड आदमी को। अब ये चल रहा है राजनीति में अखिलेश यादव जी थे, उनके पिता मुलायम सिंह थे, उनकी जगह उन्हें बना दिया गया। बिहार में भी हो चुका है ये ऐसा, ये कोई नई बात नहीं है। और मैं तो इसके बारे में सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि सभी जो संस्थाएं हैं वो अपना काम सही से करें, और ये जो चलता आ रहा है, ये सब चलती जाए। 2-3 और ये है कि होता है कि आदमी कह रहे हैं कि ये बहुत गलत है, ऐसा कोई गलत नहीं है। एक सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, जैसे ऐसे ही इसके नेपोटिज्म का 2 पहलू हैं। थैंक यू।
Hello friends, my name is Lucky Kumari here, and let's talk about the topic nepotism. The first question, why we discuss about nepotism, means it's just not because one Bollywood celebrity committed suicide, because it's nepotism. Apart from this, there are also many reasons, and because nepotism is a kind of philosophy, most people are confused about this, that there are only upper classes or it is causing too many problems. I know there is many problems because it's nepotism, but still most of people are not clear the term of nepotism and what all consequences it has on the society. Nepotism is originating from the Italian word. Nepotismo comes from the 14th century, and when popes often promote their nephews to high-ranking position in the church ministry, and it has started long ago, and it is a serious issue. It's a social issue. Nepotism is universally not accepted. Nepotism, it's just not a similar means it's a single word, and that it means there are a similar word to like cronyism, favoritism, and nepotism. And nepotism is favoritism that is generated to relatives in various fields, and including business, politics, entertainment, sports, religions, and their other activities. And for instance, the ancient Indian philosopher Gulliver condemned nepotism as both evil and unwise. As we know, everything has two poles, means positive and negative, and just like that, nepotism not always bad, means as people have always family business where questionable family members were given a chance. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone present here. Myself is Shazia Begum in psychology in Sri Kanyaka Parameshwari College. I am going to talk about nepotism. Nepotism can be defined as a practice of making employment decision on a basic relationship. It can be defined as a hiring or promoting a relative or friend. Even if there are other qualified candidates for a position, nepotism is a workplace is not uncommon, since this is a practice that does not having a universal attachment to it. However, recent times states have passed law to reduce this practice. It is many ethical issues in this practice involved in it. This paper will seek to define the nepotism, and it will be international religion in local organization where have been seen suspension of nepotism. It will be difficult to prove that the nepotism does not occurs in any organization. However, on a link between personal hire and their relation, we have suspicions of occurrence of nepotism. Nepotism is both seen public and private sector, and however on search, it more prevalent in a public and private sector. Thank you.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। मेरा नाम इंद्रप्रीत सिंह खुराना है। नेपोटिज्म की बात करेंगे हम। भाई भतीजावाद नेपोटिज्म का जन्म यूनान से, ये नेपोटिज्म यूनान से इस वर्ड का स्टार्टिंग हुआ है। वहाँ पे चर्च के पादरी होते थे, क्योंकि वो शादी नहीं कर सकते थे, इसलिए वो अपने चर्च में कोई भी मैनेजमेंट का काम होता था वो अपने भाई के बच्चों को, भतीजों को देते थे। इसलिए इसका नेफ्यू से मतलब नेपोटिज्म, क्योंकि नेफ्यू भतीजे होते हैं, इसलिए ये इस वर्ड का जन्म वहाँ से हुआ है, यूनान से, नेपोटिज्म। तो भाई भतीजावाद इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है। इसमें नुकसान ये है कि भाई भतीजावाद में कि कोई भी पढ़ा लिखा इंसान जो काबिल है, जिस नौकरी के काबिल है, उसको वो ना दे के जिसने वो नौकरी प्रोवाइड करनी वो अपने रिश्तेदार सके रिश्तेदारों को, भाई भतीजों को, भांजों को वगैरह मतलब दे देता है। इसलिए नेपोटिज्म का जो ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, क्वालिफाइड लोग हैं, उनको नुकसान होता है। तो इंडिया में भी भाई भतीजावाद बहुत ज़्यादा है, ख़ास तौर पे राजनीति में अगर हम देखेंगे इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस में, तो महात्मा गांधी जी के बाद, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के बाद इंदिरा गांधी, राजीव गांधी के बाद सोनिया गांधी, राहुल गांधी, ये सब मतलब नेपोटिज्म इसमें मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा है। कांग्रेस पार्टी में एक ही परिवार के सभी नेता बन रहे हैं बार बार। तो ये नेपोटिज्म है। नेपोटिज्म नुकसानदायी की है।
Hello everyone, I am Sapna Posing, BA program second year from Crodimal College, and yes, I am a nepotism. I am a part of nepotism. Nepotism is using a power to give unfair advantage to their family member in terms of providing jobs and position. It can be in the field of politics, business, entertainment, religious, film industries, and many more organizations. Nepotism, favoritism, and casteism, they all are very similar to each other. Like in favoritism, we choose an unfit person to give them job, maybe we love or like them. And somewhere or the other, it is a reason deserving people can't get what they actually deserve. And it is a result of mental disturbance on their health. Being a democratic country, supremacy and hierarchy is still alive in our country. Like richer become richer and poorer become poorer. And because of this toxic culture of nepotism, people committed suicide. So why the nepotism still exists in our society if it is so bad? Man, because it's in our blood. It's a human practice. It's a human nature. We can't stop anymore. It's a feeling of kindness, feeling of protection. Like, let me to give you an example over here to make you better understand. Mostly businessmen can become a businessman. Actors can become an actor. But you can also raise a question. Here, shoemakers can never want to be a shoemaker. He wants something better position to his better life. In the field of politics, business, entertainment, they have a name, fame and glory. And whom father doesn't want to give a better life to their son? Everybody wants. Very authentic statement is, how would you maintain your name, fame and glory for a long time? It's up to your hard work and consistency. And we should not forget one thing here. Everyone has a right to stand a fair chance in all professional field. And any possible hurdles in a way of achieving this right should be removed. And removing hurdle means it would take our country to a new height. So that is all about from my side. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for taking your time out. My name is Falguni and I'm going to be talking about nepotism. So nepotism is what we often call it as favoritism, which means granting favors to someone who is a close relative or a family member by someone who is at post or at an authority, by giving them a position, a higher position of which they may not be necessarily capable of. So before moving on further on nepotism, we must know that it has been a very hot topic these days because of the death of a film actor, a suicide case of a film actor, Sushant Singh. But we must know that nepotism doesn't only exist in film industry or Bollywood. We must know that it is present in almost every aspect of the society, whether it be businesses, schools, colleges, corporate firms, even in the judiciary. We must know that recently in 2018, regarding the selection of the judges, out of the 33 advocates, 11 were the close relatives of the existing or retired judges. So is nepotism discriminatory or illegal? So it can, it is itself is not illegal, but it can be discriminatory or illegal if it takes a form of a corruption or harassment. It can be illegal. So is it good or bad? For the person who is taking personal benefits from that, it can be good for that person, but for the society as a whole, it has very negative impacts. Thank you.
Hi, myself Priyanka from SDM Law College, Mangalore. Today I'm here before you to speak up on the topic nepotism. Nepotism is a kind of favoritism that is granted to the relatives in various fields. The various field includes politics, entertainment, business, etc. Several philosophers are against to this nepotism. Now coming to the various field includes politics. Politics is seem to be an family business where we can find if a dad is an MP, he wants his son to be an MP, and his son want to be an MP. Now this will pass on to the generation to generation, and there will be a restrict to the newcomers to come up and serve to the people. Now coming to the organization, in organization we can find the relatives are upheld and paid high compared to the employees, even though they are in the same level. This would affect the moral and commitment of the employees, and ultimately this would be a disadvantage to the organization. And coming to the famous article, that is the Forbes article has stated that there is no ladder to climb to the top rung in case if it is reserved for a certain people. There is no use of for doing any hard work and trying to climb up to reach the success in case if it is already reserved for the certain people. Now coming to the entertainment, we can find that Salman Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, then Varun Dhawan are from the one generation to another generation. There will be a restrict for the newcomer and to come and show up his talent. This will be an disadvantages to the people who wants to come up, who wants to work hard and reach the success. So this nepotism will be very hazardous to those people. Thank you.